Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your past orders on the Costco app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find recent orders. How do you actually go ahead and see that on the Costco app? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Costco app. Next, click on Account on the middle hand side bottom. Afterwards, scroll down and then click on Orders and Purchases. And then this is where you're going to see your orders and purchases on the Costco app. So if you give it a couple seconds to load, it should go ahead and load your previous orders and purchases on the Costco app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your past orders on the Costco app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.